Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class I am going to derive the algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Normally in a classroom situations we are not going to derive these formulas because shortage of times. Within a very short times we have to finish the syllabus, so preferably we ask the students to memorize the formula. So today I got an opportunity to derive the formula for the benefit of the students. Let's have a look how can I derive this formula. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Left hand side is there a minus b whole cube. So I'll start from the left hand side. Left hand side. My left hand side is given a minus b whole cube. Now we can split it. A minus b whole square into a minus b, isn't it? Yes, if we multiply, you will get a minus b whole cube. Now this is a minus b whole square identities. So I know that a minus b whole square will give you a square minus twice ab plus b square. Those who are new in my channels, they can see my previous video. I have already derived this formula for the students. So directly we can write a minus b whole square. That will give me a square minus twice ab plus b square. Right? Again multiply by a minus b. Now we apply the distribution property. So a square, this a square multiply a minus b, that is a minus b. Now there is a minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Again it is multiplied with a minus b plus third term, that is b square, again multiply by a minus b, right? Now again I am going to apply the distribution property. A square into a, that will give me a cube, minus plus minus minus a square b, a square b. Here I have to multiply with a minus 2ab with a minus b. So plus minus minus 2a into a, that is a square b, minus into minus, that is plus 2a b into b square, so a b square. Here this term is left, so plus a into b square, a b square, right? Plus minus minus b square into b cube. If we simplify further, I'll get a cube is the single term. I'll write it down. Now a square b, these are the two like terms, so we are we can simplify. Minus twice a square b minus a square b, that will give you minus 3a square b, right? Now this one plus, these are like term, ab square both are plus, so plus 2a square b plus 1a square b, that will give me 3a square b, and the last term is minus b cube. This is nothing but my right hand side. Right hand side. So therefore a minus b whole cube, that always give me a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Hence proved. So today's class I have derived the formulas, algebraic identities. I hope it's clear to everyone and it is really going to be very helpful for the students. And I'm thankful to the Facebook platform for giving me this opportunity to derive this formula for the benefit of the students. And thank you for watching.